What's chaos? I'll tell you what it really is. It's verbal pandemonium. It's unruly disorder. It's when quality control and hip-hop completely vanishes. It all leads to a birth of destruction. What's chaos? It's when Marketing X and the sixth element unite, creating the sons of chaos. Chigawara's lethal partners seek the knowledge. Read the palm prints, then feed off the nonsense. Redirect the causes to people in the darkness. You're a serious joke, as seen in the office. Alphanumeric phonics to code your lifestyle. The sixth element of X traveling the ninth mile. Beyond comprehension of the metric scale. Telekinetic psychic spelling beats and pepper barrels. Independent seller labels like cheap stereotypes. On target marionettes burying mics. Like Conrad Murray, Bombad, Fury, Duncan Wars. Rap career skyrocket down when it's a dungeon source. 100 more planetary behavior surrounding Uranus. Alias to proudly burn the pages referring to famous ironic rappers who say jobs, punks laid off without making coherence to these lyrics. What's chaos? Chaos, chaos. What is it really? Chaos, chaos. What is its meaning? Chaos, chaos. Unified separation. Chaos, chaos. Unified devastation. Chaos, chaos. What is it really? Chaos, chaos. What is its meaning? Chaos, chaos. Fortified men walking. Chaos, chaos. Organized anarch capitulate to the interstate of the prison gates. Vivid ways reciprocate, conservatively liberate. Slithering snakes encircle your havens, perimeter. Amazonian anaconda fangs break inhibitors. Behind the necks of presidential candidates. Chaotic second round knockout on cool rappers like cannabis. All sorts of fantasy, psycholinguistic ataxia. Diabetic MCs because I'm insolent and pancreas. Breathing life in the walking dead creates zombie apocalypse. Raps origami astonishes. My prerogative cancels out derogative rallies. X neutralizes lyricists, marking them all in a tally. As I walk in the valley in the shadow of death and live, I beat the raps of evil raps in this accepted gift. Endless repetitive sentences drop out an infinitive. Definitive written between the lineages, leaving you stricken. Chaos, chaos. What is it really? Chaos, chaos. What is its meaning? Chaos, chaos. Unified separation. Chaos, chaos. Unified devastation. Chaos, chaos. What is it really? Chaos, chaos. What is its meaning? Chaos, chaos. Fortified men walking. Chaos, chaos. Organized true son of chaos like Cheeto XL. Listen Tupac, rising from the dust of melancholy saints from boondocks. Our brave faces supernatural in 93 with an IQ of smart students in the Ivy League. We know the ropes, MCs will hold the throats. Battle damage, rap commandos overthrowing Kosovo. Encrypt secrets in Croatia, code degrading flows. Verbally exterminate machines, debilitating flows over the underrated solid composite more than soldiers. Breaking barriers more than Jackie Robinson posters. River warfare's hard, liberate the rips of Thomas on a deep shit. The excrement remains on Korriban, immortalized, posterized pics, pure fine filth. Children not the sworn defines with the fortified steel. Born around a rhymes built with an iron sword and shield. What's chaos? Destroying mice and asteroidal fields. Chaos, chaos. What is it really? Chaos, chaos. What is its meaning? Chaos, chaos. Unified separation. Chaos, chaos. Unified devastation. Chaos, chaos. What is it really? Chaos, chaos. What is its meaning? Chaos, chaos. Fortified men walking. Chaos, chaos. Organized anarchy. Yeah. Sons of chaos. Birth of destruction. Sixth element, the annihilating architect. Marcola the maniacal.